Hello everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the vibrant world of fruits. We'll explore their classifications, understand their nutritional content, and even get some tips on preserving and incorporating them into meals. Classifying fruits. 1. Berries. Definition. Fruits produced from a single ovary and usually contain multiple seeds. Strawberries. They are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. Blackberries. These small fruits are packed with antioxidants and vitamin K. 2. Citrus. Definition. Fruits from the Rutaceae family, known for their juicy and tangy flavor. Oranges. A popular citrus fruit known for its high vitamin C content. Lemons. Often used for their tangy juice and zest. 3. Fleshy. Definition. Fruits with a soft edible part between their outer cover and seeds. Apples. Crunchy and sweet, apples are a favorite worldwide. Pears. Soft and juicy, they are rich in fiber. 4. Stone. Definition. Fruits with a large, hard pit inside. Peaches. Juicy and sweet with a velvety skin. Cherries. Small, round, and typically red or black. Nutrition content and benefits. Fruits are low in fat with the exception of coconuts, which contain saturated fats. Avocados and olives contain monosaturated fats. Fruits contain carbohydrates that start out as starch. As the fruit ripens, they are converted through hydrolysis to glucose, fructose and sucrose, making them sweet and delicious. Our top 10 fruits. Keep watching to see if we included your favorite fruit. Apple. Rich in dietary fiber which aids digestion and vitamin C that boosts the immune system. Banana. Contains potassium, essential for heart health, and vitamin B6 which supports brain health. Cherry. Packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals in the body. Date. High in natural sugars for quick energy and potassium which helps regulate fluid balance. Fig. Contains calcium for bone health, and magnesium which supports numerous biochemical reactions. Grapes. Full of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting, and vitamin C. Kiwi. A powerhouse of vitamin C for skin health and vitamin K. Lemon. Contains vitamin C and plant compounds that have various health benefits. Mango. Rich in vitamin A, essential for vision, and vitamin C. Watermelon. Hydrating and contains vitamins A and C, both antioxidants that help prevent cell damage.
Fruit is a great snack. Look how many pieces of each of these fruits you can eat for only 50 calories. Reach for that fruit bowl next time you're hungry.
Preserving fruits. Jam making. The boiling process during jam making kills most bacteria. Pectin. This is a natural gelling agent contained in fruit which helps set your jam. Some fruits have a high level of pectin like apples and are great for making jam. Sterilizing the jam jars ensures no contaminants are introduced, giving your jam a longer shelf life. Once sealed, jam can last for over a year, allowing us to enjoy seasonal fruits anytime. It's also a sustainable practice, using up excess or overripe fruits. Canned or tinned fruit. These are convenient and available all year around. They come in a variety of forms: crushed, slice, halved, and whole. The fruit is cooked before canning, which alters the texture and taste. Peaches, pineapples, and rambutan are some popular canned fruit. They can make a great midweek pudding served with a sauce or ice cream or as filling for a cake. Dried fruit. Drying removes around 50% of the water and makes these fruits available all year around. Easy to transport in lunchboxes and energy dense. Dried raisins and apricots are high in iron. Fruit leather makes a fun, nutritious snack. Frozen fruit. Common varieties: cherries, strawberries, blueberries, and boysenberry. They are frozen fresh with no additional sugar. It can become mushy due to the ice crystals expanding and breaking the fruit down. Frozen fruit makes a great quick dessert or a pie filling. Incorporation of fruit into meals. Breakfast. Strawberry and banana smoothie bowl topped with chia seeds. Sprinkle some dried sour cherries on your porridge. Lunch. Spinach and orange salad with a honey mustard dressing. Use fresh lemon juice in your vinaigrette dressing instead of vinegar. Dinner. Grilled chicken with mango salsa. Maybe add some pineapple on your pizza. Snacks: dried figs or a mixed fruit salad. Reasons to include fruits in meals. Nutrient boost: fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Digestive health: the fiber in fruits aids digestion. Natural sweetness: they can reduce the need for added sugars in meals. Hydration: many fruits have high water content, which helps in staying hydrated. Buying and storing fruits. When purchasing fruits, choose those that are fresh, vibrant, and free from bruises. Always wash fruits before storing. Store fruits in a cool, dry place. Some, like bananas, should be stored at room temperature, while others, like grapes, should be refrigerated. When buying, consider the ripeness if you plan to eat them immediately or in a few days. That's all for today's fruity episode. Remember, fruits are not just tasty but also brimming with health benefits. So, make them a staple in your diet. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of fruits. Thanks for watching.